Hello, fellow green thumbs. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening with a beginner's guide that's sure to make you feel right at home in your garden. First things first, let's talk soil. It's the foundation of your garden, and it plays a crucial role in the health of your plants. Before planting anything, it's important to ensure your soil is healthy and ready for growth. This means checking for things like drainage, nutrient levels, and pH balance. You can do this by getting a soil test or simply testing it yourself by feel or sight. Once you have a good understanding of your soil, you can start amending it to suit your plant needs. This might involve adding compost, manure, or fertilizer to boost its nutrient content, or adjusting its pH level as needed. But remember, not all plants are created equal, and they don't all have the same soil preferences. Some prefer sandy soil, others like clay-rich soil, and some need well-drained loam. So, before you even think about planting anything, do some research on the types of plants that grow well in your area and what their specific soil requirements are. And there you have it, a brief introduction to preparing your soil for a successful garden. Stay tuned for more tips on gardening basics in our next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on vibrant gardens. Until next time, happy gardening!